unsa. That's why you're in a situationship because they know that you're gonna accept them anyways.
Si Mike?
Hoy! If you're in a situationship right now, run.
Yeah.
Here comes this guy who makes me question about everything about myself.
You know, and we let them.
Yeah.
Hello, hello, hello! Napakanaminaw, Ani!
Ambot lang, pero welcome sa pinaka-white collar na podcast where somehow makarelate ka.
Welcome to Ambot Lang Podcast nga podcast na walay script.
Walay filter, per daghan ka realization sa makaingon ka nga, hala, ako mali.
Yeah, ako di ay si Monty, the certified overthinker.
And ako si Clovel, ang professional red flag enjoyer sa una.
Yes, well, you can listen to this while you're doing some other stuff. This is good for like background noises.
You know, ka-FaceTime.
Barkada lang. Yes,
Barkada
this is it.
lang.
Yes, enjoy the show.
Yes. Oh, pwede ko maingon nga. Maingon, wag na pa may klaro.
Anyways, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, good night, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to Ambot Lang Podcast.
Wala nga po may klaro y'all, but welcome to episode 3! Woo!
Ko na kayo, super ka.
Ano?
Demure ko today.
Congrats to us, guys!
Congrats
Tara!
to us, to you, to me, to
The
everybody.
entire universe.
Thank you for watching. Naghan ka nag-watch ba?
Okay.
Anyways, yeah.
So, for today's topic, we're gonna talk about the trending topic nowadays. It's all about, when you spend,
So heavy.
huh?
Go.
So today's topic will be about like the trendy or Gen Z thing nowadays. Like when you spend the whole day or the entire whatever with a specific someone, and then when someone clarifies, like, what are you guys? Walay ma-answer kay. It's like,
False hope.
yeah, we're uyab, but
Dili uyab. Way label. Mixed signals.
you guessed it right. We're gonna talk about
Situationship.
situationship.
Yes.
Spell
Whatever.
situationships.
Dili uyab.
Yeah.
Not together.
Mhm.
We're not together.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about situationships. Yeah, I think it's a very trendy topic nowadays. I don't know. Kay,
Everybody hates to commit.
yeah, he's been there. I've been there.
I've
Everybody's
been there multiple times.
Are you still there? Okay, so before we go to the actual topic, again, we're gonna talk about our ambot lang moment of the week, which is so what's your ambot lang moment of the week?
My ambot lang moment of the week. I guess ako ang asthmatic
Oh.
asthmatic lungs. It's been bothering me for a while now because of the allergies. Oh my god, allergies in New York, crazy.
It is
Ambot
very
lang. I'm like, I can't breathe.
Yeah, it is very the allergies this year.
I can't breathe.
Overly
Overly populated.
Sige.
My lungs is overpopulated. Grabe.
Yeah. Just like your But anyway, my ambot lang moment of the week, I think, is maybe the past week, not this week. The past few weeks siguro is like, I hate it when a woman is not a girl's girl. Dili na ko gets. Because
Who's that?
you don't know.
Oh, you know. Okay.
You don't know. Basta, it's not about relationships, but specifically like within the family. I think because for example, you're not that close to that specific like family member, and then here goes like
Okay, cool. Anyways.
here goes like kanang musumbong ba? Like kanang what were you doing like sa social media? Like isulti sa whatever, like someone higher up sa family, and then mo cause of issue.
That's your ambot lang.
Yeah, that's my ambot lang kay. Cause why? You should be a girl's girl or a...
That's what you call hilabtanon.
Yeah, hilab
Like,
tano, like,
girl, get a life.
or issue maker. I don't know why. So muna siya ako lang mo of the week. I'll tell you later.
Get a
But
life.
I'll tell you later, but it's not
Whoever
good.
it is, I don't know
Yeah,
who you are.
it's not good to be not a gross girl, okay?
Get a life.
Yeah. So anywhere.
Anyway, before we start this topic, I love this drink. Sure. Look at my
Eat,
shirt.
go, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at our shirt. Oh,
Shargao.
Siargao, Guapitos.
And then me, the BTS World Tour.
Right, every episode lang
I know. Like event. I don't know why.
Guapitos, wala ko, well, lately. No, I didn't go to
Shout
Siargao. Siargao, January.
Yeah.
On to Siargao.
Yeah, me too. Different event. Because last episode, he went to Coachella and then me, I went to the concert. And,
Florida.
yeah, Florida for
Oh, concert sa BTS.
BTS
Yeah.
concert.
We went to
And
BTS.
Formula One.
Alright.
Formula One that
Asan ang
Manuel,
Formula One shirt.
it's not there. Anyway, it's not there. But yeah, I texted him sa because sa Formula One, someone was there.
Manuel Turizo.
Yeah.
Chorizo.
As in joke lang bito. Oh my gosh.
Ipakita sa
I
video.
was on my phone and then
Ipakita sa video.
Wait lang, I can't find.
Come on. Ay, i-mute ra ayo ikwan.
Where was it? What
Mute
day
it,
was
mute
it?
it.
Ah, okay.
Ang iyang ng face.
Like this.
Oh,
That's
si Manuel. Oh
And then-
my God.
And then I was just on my phone and then
Oh my God.
Where I go- I
so
know
next
this
time,
song.
mo to na kog F1.
I know this song, but yeah.
Ito na ako.
Anyway.
Okay.
Are you gonna introduce your drink? Your favorite drink?
My favorite drink, Salud. Please
Sponsor us.
Sponsor us. Or Philip Primos.
Filipino. Yeah. Huy, I saw the podcast. It was nice.
Yeah, with,
with Bradman Rock.
Berman Rock, yeah. It was nice.
Yeah, anyway.
Situationships.
Yeah, situation.
So our first segment is situationships starter packs.
yeah, we're gonna talk about the situation.
The nitty
starter
gritty
pack. Yeah.
of situationships and how we get there and how we get out. I guess
Yeah.
if that's
So there are
even-
different parts of being in a situationship. So we're gonna like give examples of what ang situation.
Yeah, bullet points.
Yeah,
I have
bullet points for situationships. Kay as we say it, as we mention it, makaingon ka nga. I'm in one. I'm in a situationship.
In a lot of times.
I'm in a situationship something.
Okay, first bullet point. When like if you know that you're in a situationship.
Mhm.
Good morning and good night text.
Every day.
Which I like. I told you this in a past episode. I like it. I like the consistency.
Yeah.
But you know, when you're in a situationship, I guess it fades.
Yeah, but it's different when you're in a relationship because it's consistent. But I don't know if
Consistent. Okay.
huh?
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
It should be consistent because you're in a relationship. For some reason, no, sa past episode, I can hear myself maglisod kog sulti sa word relationship. I don't know if it's fast. Relationship.
That's why I'm more soft spoken.
Charot! Soft-spoken.
Maalaala mo kaya?
Mhm. Madam Charo.
Charo.
Actually,
Chariri-
so makita mo
charot.
I think sa intro, he was wearing the Madame Bertude.
Madam Bertude.
But yeah, going back on siya, like the good morning and good night text. But
Yeah.
dili siya, it's not consistent, but it depends on that person if mo.
Mm-hmm. It really depends. No further information to add.
Okay, the second one is kanang pangutan na bitaw ka nga. Ikaw na ka?
Or did you
Did you
eat?
eat?
Have you eaten?
Yeah. And then
Oh, actually, even here in America, they do that.
yeah.
But not.
But
how
you can sense it.
No, not how Filipinos do it though, because we don't do much more on good night and good morning. I guess we just have you eaten
Yeah.
or like nikaon na ka?
Sa Pilipinas or here?
Oh, nikaon na ka panood to.
Yeah.
Nikaon na ka panihapon. Pero tanan lang.
Oh,
Did you eat?
yeah.
Did you eat?
Did he eat you?
Wala! Hoy!
Sorry.
Bastos.
Like I don't know. Okay, if here's America, okay, it's a normal thing that you ask, oh, did you eat na or something? But then
Yeah, have
I
you eaten?
think specifically in a situationship, it's like, why do you care about me? Like, ana siguro.
Yeah, like if it's in a situationship, you're much more like what you call that? Caught up sa situationship
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
it's more like caring
Mm-hmm.
type.
But yeah, it's a different kind of ano, whatever.
Mhm.
Okay, next one.
Next one. What's the next
Yeah.
one? Text og ka ng, I got home. I just got home.
Yeah,
Or I
like
actually do that too.
or like update me. Update me when you get home.
Oh yeah.
Or
Like, kung kina touching kina.
yeah.
Like, update me when you get home, huh?
Yeah, basta guys, it's a different ano man good if in a relationship because I think it's a but like it's a normal thing. Okay, babe, I'm home.
Yeah.
Ana, but then it's a different time siguro na it in a situationship ka murag kind of lagi like you would ano second guess nga why does he care about me? I thought wala lang something.
Oh yeah, ko na jude. Wala na jude to.
Yeah.
It was nothing at
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
to begin
Lagi.
with for
And
him
then another one
or
siguro
her.
is like when they constantly reply at night, not like in the morning or something. Cuz he's
No, the
too
consistent texts.
yeah, okay, he's too busy with
Oh
someone or
yeah, that's the one I
whatever.
hate. Like, first few months or weeks, hopefully months, consistently they would text you, even at work or call you or something.
Yeah.
But then all of a sudden, mawala to tanan. It's all
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah, like that
Yeah.
being in a situationship it's like available siya for that specific day but he's gone for like 3 to 5 business days and then comes back.
Girl.
And then comes back, 'di ba?
Oh, comes up for ato gapon i-catch.
Of course. Of course, why
Yeah.
not?
Marupok.
Come back to me with open arms.
Yeah, open arms jud.
Yeah.
Dira arms ay open.
I sorry.
Fingers. To
Ay,
ears,
sorry,
to
sorry.
eyes,
Yeah.
open.
So that's why sad. That's why you're in a situationship because they know that you're gonna accept them anyways.
Yeah.
So that's why
toxic.
they're inconsistent.
Mhm.
Okay, next one.
What's the next one?
Overprotective but inconsistent. Same thing.
Wala ako nakatry na, but yeah, I guess.
Yeah, like very kanang kaon na ba kay if dili ka magkaon if you're not gonna eat di na ako out ko like something
Wow!
like that.
Wow! High
Wow,
school!
or like I don't like what you're wearing if dili ka mag-ilis dili na ta
Oh yeah,
maglaag.
that one I encountered.
Something like
I
that ba nga.
encountered.
If you're wearing something that very showy
The
and
provocative.
if you're not gonna change like what you're wearing kay we're not gonna go out. Murag dili to mulaag uy kay you're not listening to me.
That's
Something
so
like that.
toxic.
I know,
That's
but
like
then
very
and then why does he
Filiprimo.
kanang
Filiprimo.
Filiprimo?
Mga Latinos in I'm so.
I think so.
Yeah, Latinos and
Ay,
Filipinos.
sorry, I keep touching my ano. But then, ano siya ba? Like, I know it's kind of nice but toxic, but it's a, kuha lagi siya, like, kanang, wala bigay ka mo. So, what gives you the right?
To remain
remain
silent again.
Like, what gives you the right to tell me what to do? Kay, wala bigay kita.
Yeah.
And ano?
But kita sad, you follow.
Yeah.
You know, I will follow you.
Hala.
Hala.
Hala, maano lang. Sige,
I will
sige, sige,
follow
sige.
you.
Okay, last one. Last one.
Last one.
Yeah.
Ay ako na try din ako.
Of course, girl!
In college and even in college ako in
Even
my
now.
part.
Even now.
Ako,
You?
me.
You doing it or
Me,
the person doing
the
it
person
to you?
doing it to me.
Ah.
Hatid sundo.
Yeah, hatid sundo.
Yeah.
Which...
In college. Katong hilakan ako like, wow. Cry sa
Who
wall.
you're still doing it now? Hello?
Mas gabi to, kay dato sa public, nasa CDU,
No, not
CDU
the...
second floor.
Not the walling. Katong hatid sundo.
Not me.
You!
Not towards me.
No, but you're doing it to someone. The hatid sundo thing.
Pero di mo naman situationship ato.
Even now? That brings us to our second segment. We're gonna do the like DTR challenge, like define the whatever. We're just gonna talk about a specific situationship that we had.
Mm-hmm.
Do you wanna? Okay, I think akong madam. He's always in a situationship. Like I don't know.
Not masad or ni stopped ko for 2 months.
Wow, what an
Oh,
achievement!
wala. Actually, yeah. Still now, wala.
No, but then you had that specific situationship because of that specific situationship. Like you had this situationship with someone that led to like other situationships, siguro.
Yeah.
So do you want to talk about that?
No, do you want to talk about yours?
Wait, do you want to talk about a specific situationship? Like the not the controversial one. Everything's controversial sa you, girl.
Sa chef na lang.
Was
That
it a
was a situationship.
situationship?
Yes! Yeah. I don't think nag-uyab me.
I don't think so.
Yeah, that was like, yeah.
Okay, just tell us about a specific situationship. Or do you want me to?
Open up about yours, girl.
Me, it's nothing. Kung ano siya, actually, but niingon siya na ako ato na we're gonna talk about situationship. Ano ko nga, I don't think I'd ever had one. Like, cause I was in a long term. I don't think so. Wala good ko yung remember anything.
Mm-hmm.
But then, Syra said, Hoy, si Kuan! Ano name ni?
Road?
Unsa siya? Whatever. So,
Oh my god, may burp ko. I'm sorry.
so that specific someone, so she reminded me that I was in one. And then, oh my gosh, I've broken kay ko ato.
Si Mike?
Hoy!
Microphone!
Don't cut it. He's not gonna watch this podcast.
Oh
but
no. But Mike, whoever you are.
Hoy, he's married.
Oy.
He's married.
That's
So-
why it's a situationship.
So, no, he's married now, but not like, girl, hindi tayo.
Not during.
Not during. Hindi tayo talo, girl. Not,
Yeah,
no
no,
way.
no.
But then, okay, we were in the same, church. So, obvious na kay who. We were in the same church, and then kita ko niya.
Here?
No, in the Philippines.
Oh, in the Philippines.
Tugay na. Before I met,
Oh, you will watch this. Definitely, Mike.
before I met that specific ex, that long-term ex. And then, no, dili day before. Like, during siguro. And then we had a break. Whatever. So, this specific guy, I don't know, I liked him, but then his sister was so, was so strict ba? Na murag, it was giving, don't go near my brother. Something like that.
How to grab you?
Ina na siya ka-strict. Ina na siya ka-strict na sister, and then,
Is that older sister?
older sister, that's
Ah.
why. That's why she was
That's
overprotective.
weird.
I don't know.
That's
don't
weird,
know.
Mike.
Maybe because she liked this other girl for him. Maybe that's why. And then I was
That's
new.
weird. Why would a family member be your epito?
No, but then I don't think she was like that. But I was thinking because overthink biya ka, overthink ka, and then basta we were in this specific church, and then basta we were new to that church, and then ang ilang family kay very welcoming, whatever. So that guy came, oh my gosh, very oh my gosh, he sings whatever, something like that, and so of course I developed crush. So I had a crush on that guy and Anna, and then I really didn't know na on something, but then we had this specific communication man sad, but not like hi, hello, I love you, I like you, like that, something.
Mhm.
And then basta there was like naman dyan something that we do every Fridays at church, and then I don't know, mo lagi na it was a situationship kay he was doing stuff that only a boyfriend would do siguro. And then after that, iya kong gihatid sundo. So we were texting each other.
Basta na-practice lang siya nga
Hoy,
na relationship.
I still have the text. Inga na siya ka
I mean, if a show?
No, I'm not gonna show them, but it was that heartbreaking nga. I really saved it kay, wait lang, hold on. Oh, okay. Basta, he calls me Manghod, and then he was a kuya.
Manghod is?
Younger sister?
Younger sister.
Someone younger than you, that's a manghod, but then someone older, ate, kuya, whatever. So, I don't really call him kuya for the fact, like, I respect him or whatever. Basta, na siya tawagay. And then, iya kong gihatid sundo, whatever. And then, basta, there was a specific song. Kana sa di ay, nako sa debut. It was my debut.
Your
and then,
debut.
my debut. And then, siya yung nagpili sa akong among song. Sayawon. It was like Ed
Sa
Sheeran.
Pit Senior?
No. Tenor of C by Ed Sheeran.
Sinulog?
Tenor of C by Ed
Ito
Sheeran.
ba na?
You're like sure, basta. And then, me thinking, me being a Delulu, oh my gosh, ibog siya na cover something na ba? And then, basta, we were texting and whatever. I still have it, see? I still have it here. Di ba,
Sa
green,
ingon niya?
green pa. Basta,
Sa last ingon niya.
ano siya, he told me that,
I'll do it. I'll
No!
do it. Di ako filter. I'll filter. Let me
kanina
see.
nga part, this
Ay,
part.
no. Ataon ako. Siya man, iya man, wala ko reply nimo. Oh my God! Yun siya. Okay ra na, Manghod, I'm always here for you. We missed a chance. Ah!
I said, Like, oh my gosh,
Pero so na siya feel ni mo.
that's why I didn't know na naadi ay basta I told him na easy for you kay wa man kay nasakitan that time whatever kay I think that something happened basta and then you know what he told me ana siya guys we missed a chance and then I told him
Ambe.
manhid ako yeah I was manhid daw
Dili siguro ka ready for love that time.
me
You don't know. Maybe like
I think he was on a break with the girlfriend and then me I think me too I was on a break with that specific guy and then
kinsa na guy. Ah, okay.
and then
Okay.
happy as in we were so happy like sa camp and everything I saw a video of myself na because we were happy so the camp was like 3 days and then we were spending most of that time together like namin pictures together whatever and then the next day very last day sa camp you know who was there
Me.
the girlfriend
The girlfriend.
so I saw them together and then wala na guys grabe akong hilak so wala I think
Wait,
that
it's much more painful on situationships.
yeah it is more painful than a specific
So I'm gonna share mine.
yeah
So, I'm not
Which
gonna-
one? Which one? The very first reason? Just say it.
Wait, I don't know. I don't know who.
He's not gonna.
No. Oh shit! No. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. That guy from, not from US. Yeah, it was a situationship. Yeah. Whatever we said on those first few stuff. Yeah, we did that. Always calling each other over the phone. Okay, long distance.
Nagka-friends me, guys.
Yeah.
Nagka-friends me with that guy, but we
Mm.
never even met. Supposedly,
Yeah.
ako pa nag-watch ng itinerary, guys.
Okay, delete na ako. Actually, I don't even know where it is anymore.
I don't know. I still have it. You want a copy?
Sure.
Basta.
I'll do it with other person.
Sure ka.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you want to talk about it? It's nothing.
Uh,
Now.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't remember much.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you what happened?
Okay, tell me, cause I don't remember much. I guess my process.
So
of
he was
healing.
in naa siya sa specific country
Mm-hmm.
and then he was about to leave that country and then naa siya sa with that guy. And then guys, grabe yung hilak. Grabe yung hilak na iya may gitawagan at night.
Oh, okay. Okay, from the beginning.
Yes, because I think
Okay, so may pagka-clairvoyant pa ni Dapita, no?
he's not gonna watch this, I think.
No.
Oh.
He's gonna watch. But you.
It was so bad that he was crying.
The day of that night that we met, I was already crying because I already was like, oh, I don't think Nana, I don't think it will work, blah blah blah. I already knew from the start. I just pushed it through a situationship. But I guess yes, itong saoy ganun gi-push through pa to niya. Like he could have just said
no
and
at first.
not respond to me ever because I was not, because I already told him like if it's not gonna work out and you're not gonna change your mind of like wanting a relationship and stuff because he's not ready. That's the thing. He's not ready. He would have just said no and then not respond to me. I didn't have to go to that place again over and over.
Yes, again.
But yes. And then the ending, he has a boyfriend.
I know. But not during but then
During, girl.
Huh? I didn't know this.
Yeah, because the thing was diba? That was Eurovision. Okay, sa Europe. He went to this guy's house.
Okay. I don't think
To watch Eurovision alone with the guy.
Wait, was this the first time?
Yeah, but he told me like, oh,
No, the first time that you went or katong second time gani adto ka?
I already went there.
Second time or you went there like 3 times.
2, 3, 2.
3 because you met na and then
Really, 2. I have no idea. 2. I told you I forgot. Anyways, that was after I went there, January.
Ah.
And then he said he's gonna meet up with his new friend.
Okay, I remember na.
And it's just a friend. I was asking
Yeah.
if it's straight or gay. Turns out
But you guys
gay.
were okay pa, di ba? Okay
Yeah,
pa.
yeah, yeah.
Okay
But I
pa.
already knew something was wrong.
Yeah, because you guys were calling each other,
Mm-hmm,
whatever.
mm-hmm.
It was mostly you, di ba? Calling.
Somewhat.
Yeah. So.
But yeah.
Crazy, crazy times, but
Why are we
very,
talking
very,
about
but
this?
very, very broken. Oh my gosh! But it was so bad na murag. Basta it's like down bad crying at the gym, something like that.
Down
Shout out
bad.
Taylor Swift, but yeah, it was so bad na. That's why I know situationship is like more painful than an actual relationship. Not to ano kay sakit man sa babugan, but a specific situationship because you don't know like where you like stand.
Yeah. It's
That's
very
why
difficult to. Well, even in your relationship, you can control the person. It's just
yeah. But it was
you
so
have more
bad.
leverage, I
It
guess.
was so bad. But then
Um.
yeah,
Anyways, let's move on.
move on. Move on to that.
Okay.
So what is siya, guys? This is the ano segment. What's the name of the segment again?
Inka DTR.
No, that was the DTR.
I don't know what segment this is.
So this one, kanang I
Remember,
wrote,
we don't have scripts.
I wrote a specific like phrase or sentence na usually people will use in a situationship. And then we're gonna translate it for you guys in a more simpler terms para matauhan kayo, di ba?
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, okay. This is the mahiwagang baul. So you're gonna take one and then you're gonna read the phrase.
Ako una, okay.
Yeah, you're gonna read the phrase.
I'm gonna read the phrase and then
You're gonna translate it to them. Because I put the actual sentence and then translate the one above.
again what?
Say the sentence first and then
Mhm.
translate it to them in a simpler term.
Oh, this is towards situations.
Yeah,
Ship,
for
right?
for a situationship.
The one that they would tell you,
Yeah, like for example, what do you see
or
there?
you would tell someone,
Either or.
"I'm still healing."
Yeah. So what you translate it to? Sa
That's so dumb. Oh my god, I hate it. I hate when someone says, "I'm still healing."
yeah.
Like, why did you even like text me
Mhm.
if you're healing?
Yeah.
Uh,
So what's the
Kwan siya, emotionally unavailable,
yeah? Because
or
why are you?
he's just there to like comfort his loneliness, I guess.
That's so sad.
No, jud na.
Yeah.
That's the main reason why they
Like
said.
that's so mean. I'm still healing. So why did you talk to me in the first place?
Yeah.
Because why?
Why?
Wala na. Okay, next one. Oh, this one. So they would always say, "I don't want labels." Diba? That's the murag you're in that specific situationship and then here comes DTR. I don't di ko ka label. Ayoko nga. Ano label? So it's like kanang I like the benefits that we have but I'm not
I'm not committing.
Nah, I'm not gonna commit. But
Yeah, commitment
I
issues.
yeah, I like the benefits that you and I have, but then no, I'm not gonna commit.
To
'Cause,
you.
yeah, something.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. What's that something?
Ang pilit tanan.
Sorry, post-it ang gigamit, guys. Airball vibes.
Oh my god!
What?
You're different. I use this a lot. And I get I get it from them too.
Uh-huh.
It's like for me now may translate diri.
Yeah.
There's one like special, you're temporarily special.
Oh no.
But for me, I say it cuz in my defense,
Okay.
like they're always different
But
and special in their head.
yeah, I know. It's so samuka lang. You're different, but then sige, why don't you stay with me then? Anyway.
I know, right?
Anyway, next one. Oh, di ba? They always say, I like what we have. Okay, it's convenient for them. That's why they like it. They like what you guys have because it's convenient for the whatever.
For them,
For them.
the convenience of your emotions.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god! god! I'm not ready yet. Oh my god! Imagine if somebody says, I'm not ready yet. So why did you text me?
So nga ano nagstorya pa?
I know.
Wala gina. It's the
Ah,
same as I'm still healing and then unsa to? Unsa na?
I'm not ready
I'm
yet.
not ready
So
yet.
why
Then
are we
why?
talking? Why?
Why did you even reach out?
I know.
'Di ba?
If you're not ready,
Yeah.
come on.
Anyway, next
Well,
one.
we'll get that's a
I saw this.
translation.
What's the translation?
Ready but not for you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Him?
He keeps telling me that.
See
Mm.
Europe?
Mm.
I sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Cause you know what, guys? Ano magud to? It was like mo na. Cause we were thinking mo na cause he was doing like he was putting an effort na murag
Oh, and he gave me a ring.
yeah, the specific, di ba we were talking about a ring? That's
Like,
the guy. That's a situationship guy. So I don't know, di ba? You yourself, you're gonna think, no, oh my gosh, why? Why are you giving me this? Why are you making me tiramisu? Why are you making this for? Why are you
oh
doing
my
this for
god,
me? And then
no.
you're just gonna tell me nga, "I'm not gonna-" But yeah, ano man good? Like, why were you doing that kind of effort? And then you're just gonna say, ah, di de. I'm not ready for you to commit. Even you saying that you're gonna fly here or whatever.
Oh
Why?
yeah.
Why are you gonna fly here and then you're not ano man di, you're not ready. So you're gonna fly here for what? To use the means to enjoy New York? Ay, sorry.
Anyways, let's move on.
Naglagot! Like,
Last one, last one. Oh. Oh my god.
Taga-open, oh my God! What?
I'm just busy. Oh. The amount of time nga gingnan ko ana. Oh my god. You can't be always busy.
Yeah,
You can't be always busy. That I'm busy.
yeah,
I'm always busy and I make time.
yeah.
There's a difference.
Yeah, there's a difference between, I know, you're busy or just like looking for
Yeah.
the time or,
So the translation for that, if they say that to you, they're like they're busy for you,
yeah,
but not for other people. Like it's different if you're like, oh, at work. Like if you're busy at work, yes,
Mhm.
I would be okay with that. But like if you're going out with your friends and you can't give me a single text,
that's why.
a single text, that's the
Single
only
text.
thing. It nowadays you can't really explain. Oh, I don't really look at my phone all the time. You take a picture
No.
all the time. You'll be in Instagram all the time.
Mhm.
You'll be having directions for with your
Yeah.
phone. You're paying with your phone. How can you
Everything is
not
with
be looking at your phone? That's dumb.
yeah.
Dumb. If you're looking at this, dumb.
Or maybe nakamute ang conversation. Maybe.
Yeah.
Or you're in D&D but hello. When you're D&D, you still see the thing
Yeah,
that
like if this
it
is
pops
the watch
up.
right here, I'm DND. Like you can see all the messages. It's so
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah, whatever. Wait, one last. I think you're gonna cry here.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna look
Girl, I'm getting mad.
and then I have another one then.
Okay. No,
You're good with that? What do you have?
I don't want to lose you. This is not from him.
Ah.
This is from the other person from Canada.
Huh?
Yes.
I don't know that kind of a guy.
Your ate knows. Yeah, he told me I don't want to.
Si ano?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, okay. Never
He
mind.
told me I love you before, but I was too slow.
Huh?
Yeah.
Too slow to what?
Like he said in Bisaya he said na in love ko nimo sa una but kanang dugayan kay ka.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so sad.
And then when we didn't, this is a situationship for 2 years.
Yeah.
On and off, on and off. Yeah, that's called that back then. It's not called situationship, I guess. Back in those times.
Yeah, because ano naman good to
Yeah, it's recent. Situationship is very recent.
Kaya ba mo ang term for us guys? MU.
Yeah, mutual understanding.
Mutual understanding. So,
yeah. Now it's situationship. I guess that was considered a situationship before. But yeah, he told me, I want you in my life. I don't want to lose you. I love you, but as a friend.
friend zone,
Only
girl.
now.
Now?
and he told me like he loved me before. So because we've been on and off talking.
Mm.
I don't know if he can get this. He probably is watching it too. Anywho, oosh.
Uy. Basta ang last one is kanang they would always say, I really like you. But
Oh my God!
mhm,
Recently,
but not enough to commit. He likes
recent.
you, but not
Yes,
enough to
yes,
commit.
Peter.
Hoy! So you guys are together anymore?
Huh?
Huh?
We're not together.
Like seeing each other.
No.
Really?
Don't do this in the highlights, huh? He might see it.
Really?
Yeah. No, I don't talk to him anymore. He tries to talk to him. I don't want to talk to him.
So
You
that's
keep telling me you really like me.
but you don't want to commit in a no.
And plus, basta inconsistent. I don't like inconsistency anymore. Once like there's no, maybe I would respond from time to time, but
Oh, maybe that's why you went back to that.
oh, okay, let's go. Move on.
So I think one of the hardest parts of being in a situationship is like looking for the clarity. So that's when you ask them na ano ba talaga? What are we, 'di ba? Kay
Sorry.
every episode guys, ga-burp siya. But
Let's
yeah,
count our burping.
burp ka. But
Burp
yeah,
count.
you always like kanang ano ba? Like you're naman dyan na specific someone na would always say na, what are we? Kanang I think
That's me.
Pildi kita mga girls. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, mga girls.
Cause una man gid ma-fall. Una gid
Oh
ma-fall.
yeah, it's all emotions.
Yeah, it's
Sa
all.
mga, well, I consider myself sa emotions part, I'm a girl. Like literally girl akong emotions. If I'm in a relationship, I am emotionally the
Yeah,
girl.
cause like we're so first parts of it like, oh my gosh, this is so fun, this is so chill, but then of course ma-fall man yun ang
Oh,
women
yeah.
una.
Sarap say kusog sa mga babae.
Yeah, unsa na jud kusog
Okay,
guys na
translate.
what is our strength for like unsa na kusog na to ba like kana naging like everything that they do na murag oh sige hatid sundo kita sige ani something like that, I'm gonna cook for you, I'm gonna make a cake for you, whatever, I'm gonna fly whatever whichever part of you are in the world, and then wala lang, your guys are friends, so of course ikaw thinking oh I was special, and then you would always ask them in the end, what are we?
I always ask within 2 weeks, 2 weeks in, what are we? Girl, don't be doing that to me for like consistently for a week because I will asking.
Yeah.
Like, what are we?
Yeah, it's so I don't
Because
know,
the courtmanship in my age right now is not a year anymore. That doesn't work that way anymore.
Yeah, because like it's so draining, manggod. Kay
Yeah.
kanang
Mentally.
people think that asking for clarity is like too much, but then you're just like seeking reassurance na unsa man gyud ta? Are we this or that, or just like we're just having fun,
Yeah.
diba? Okay, basta
Well,
it's
because if you
kinda,
can clarify that we're just having fun, we could have just done it.
yeah. Because
Like, have
why
fun.
are you doing stuff that usually a girlfriend or a boyfriend does? Like, friends naman di mo tanaw na kung
Mhm.
ano pa man.
Yeah.
Anong ni push through pa man, di ba?
I know. Okay.
But anyway, so, nasuko mi guys. Lain na gini yung podcast kay
This is.
ang anger
Akong
management.
hair. It's
Na-stress.
the stress. Akong hair.
Yeah. Anyway, what's the
What's the analyzation?
yeah, what okay, I think everybody is in a situationship right now because I think almost all of the men
Yeah.
or even women doesn't want to commit. Okay, they're like having fun. So what do you want to say to them if you're in a
Please, like by the time that you are very clear about your emotions, try not to dilly dally or beat around the bush.
yeah,
Life is short. You'll never know when you're gonna die.
yeah,
It's real. We see it every day. We see
Yeah.
people dying every day, in a literal sense.
mhm,
Like, why would you waste your time playing around? I mean, if that's what you want with your life, you could have just told the other person, "Oh, I'm just playing around. We're just
mhm,
doing this and that for fun."
yeah,
Like, don't tell me or don't make me think that we're something, and then it was just all a game.
yeah. For me, siguro, if you're in a situationship right now, run.
Yeah.
Because it's
It's not worth it.
It's so draining. And then
Actually, it is worth it. You can find like good things about it because you learn how to manage your emotions. You learn how to find the red flags. You learn how
mhm.
to
But
know what you want in life and what you want
yeah.
for a partner. But kapoy ka siya, it's very draining. Like it's not it. Like it's not
Yeah,
it.
but ano siya, like it's mentally draining because you're like consistently ba sa imong brain unsa man gyud, like what are we in a sense na murag you're putting yourself in a situationship na
Bro, this is like the most serious
oh, like you're putting your
podcast we had.
you're you're putting yourself in a situation that you can like prevent ba.
Yeah.
Like you can be like having fun out there but not be hurt like
Mm-hmm.
siguro. Like I don't know why even this generation is ano pa in a situationship kay it's not good because it makes you question your worth.
Mm-hmm.
Kay you yourself you think na murag I'm okay. I know my worth. I am, you know what, I was gonna say worthless. Kanang ano ba like I
Priceless.
priceless. I know my
I'm
worth, but then
priceless.
here comes this guy who makes me question about everything about myself.
You know, and we let them.
Yeah. So it's so bad na murag you're not like even asking for clarity, like asking for it's not too much. It's like you just want to reassure yourself
Yeah, but
na
they let you think that it's too much.
yeah, gaslighting.
Like, why are you? Yeah, why are you like? Why are you asking me these questions every day? That is, oh my god, BS.
Yeah, I'm murag I'm just asking so that if you're not gonna commit to this whatever, if you're not gonna commit like further, you're not gonna pursue me, then why? Ganun,
Why? Why?
why are you asking me, di ba? Murag,
Quando?
and I
I
don't
didn't.
know.
Por qué?
Yeah, and then guys, always good pildi ang especially when it's one-sided, 'di ba? Like
Pildi
it's always gonna
emotionally attached.
dali good pildi ang
Mm-hmm.
pinaka una ma in love. Cause you sige na kag nga unsa man ni you're thinking like every ounce na nga kanang gisil nag na siya kanang nang gilabhan ra imong panty. I'm sorry,
Hoy.
kanang where he's doing the stuff nga mo normal ba, and then ikaw siguro nga ay naibog na siya na ako.
Yeah. Like
Kay
bare minimum.
bare minimum because like we have the me, but yeah. So if you're in a situationship, run, girl
Run.
or boy.
You better run.
You better run.
Run. We're ending now.
Diba? So fast.
Yeah, so fast. Kaya ato mag-time to self.
Uy,
Anyway.
wait. Actually, nai magpa-shoutout. I don't know if she's even watching. Dili si, ha. I have this, acquaintance pag high school because I sent her the link. Magpa-shoutout daw siya si Rachel. Rachel? Just say hi. Magpa-shoutout daw siya.
Rachel?
Rachel.
Hi.
Yeah, I don't know. Hi. Wala na kami. We don't talk na at whatever. But then I sent her the link. Sa di ba? You always tell me nga pag-spam
Yeah,
lang,
pag-spamin you guys.
Pag-spam, and then I don't know if she watches, pero ano siya magpa-shoutout daw siya sa next podcast.
Hello! Thank you
Hi,
for watching.
Rachel!
Kailangan makakita yun siya ani.
Oh, I don't
Kaya nasa
even know.
kinalasan
Uy,
ang shout out.
nakalimot ko sa, if ingan ang pag-pronouncing name, but yeah, Rachel. Yeah. Magpa-ano daw siya.
Okay.
Magpa-shoutout.
Hello,
Uy, at least we have one na magpa-shoutout.
Pa-shout out. Inami ko na mo gusto magpa-shout out.
Wait, napa nila in demand from this specific person. Sorry to keep this long, pero ano siya. Unsa daw imong advice like kanang a situation a situationship after a breakup?
Go to Puerto Rico.
Unsa daw like what can you say about having a situationship after a breakup though?
Oh. Don't do
even.
it. Don't do it.
Don't even. Kay
Ako, I'm trying to heal this year. I'm trying not to have a relationship. I don't have a relationship. I don't know. Even situationships.
really?
No.
Is it not?
No. That's not. No.
Okay.
Ew.
But yeah.
But now.
But yeah, if you ano lang,
Heal.
if bago
Heal.
mo nagbulag, if it's like fresh, don't even, because you're just using that person,
Yeah.
or that person is using you. Ano to?
Ang bag-o means like 6 months.
Not even.
No, 6 months. 6 months. Give yourself 6 months.
Sabi ni Popoy, kaya nung gana, one more chance.
Mm.
3-month rule daw. Dapat 3-month rule before you talk to someone.
6 months?
Hindi nga. Ay, hindi. Na ano siya sa movie, ang giingon na, Bash, dapat 3 months, hindi ka pa nag-date ng someone. Tas, after daw, so this girl was talking to a different guy na, Bash, may 2 months pa ako. So, ingitay man ang girl.
Ah.
Yeah, but then,
So, di ko pa na-move on. Anyways.
not even. Don't even try. Kay, it's not healthy.
Okay.
It's not gonna end well.
Super serious na siya nga podcast.
Yeah.
But yes, I hope you learned something.
Yeah, and I
I
hope
hope this is fun.
yeah, and I hope if this is not fun, then waka sa situationship.
Yeah, go to the second episode.
I know, or the first episode, gubot ka.
Go to the second episode, not here.
Yeah, but yeah, unsa ba na comment? Comment ano?
Comment Dark Vader.
Yeah, comment Dark Vader. Kaya ang last comment like quack quack quack. Or comment buwag.
Comment ship
Daghan
with
ba?
the emoji ship.
Yeah. But anyway, mo na siya guys. It's a very abot lang, kalma lang.
It's a very calm, short, serious podcast today.
Yeah, I don't even know what we're gonna shoot for the next one.
I know. I have
okay,
I have
yeah.
the list.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. If not, bash. Just bash us,
Au
okay?
revoir. Thank you for watching.
If you
Like,
didn't
share,
subscribe,
subscribe,
spam.
spam, everybody.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.